welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca and this is Bianca's World. Today I'm going to show you how I created this backdrop here, inspired by Ali Von Rose art on Instagram. Her work is absolutely beautiful and I definitely recommend that you check her out and follow her on Instagram. This is the image that she created and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I needed to recreate it. So if you follow me on Instagram at Mrs. Bebo, you will be able to see the completed image of me recreating this image. Please subscribe to my channel if you do enjoy my content and hit that like button. All right, let's get started. Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Mi nombre es Bianca y este es el mundo de Bianca. Hoy les voy a enseñar cómo hice estos bastones de dulce navideños inspirados por el arte de Ali Von Rose Art en Instagram. Esta es la imagen que ella hizo y a mí me encantó, que yo quise recrearla completa, pero necesitaba hacer lo de atrás. Si les gusta lo que hago, por favor suscríbanse a mi canal y pongan que les gusta el video. Igual síganme en Instagram at Mrs. Bebo y a Ali Von Rose Art. En unos momentos vamos a empezar. We're going to start drawing the shape that we want, and I wanted a candy cane. Vamos a empezar a dibujar la forma que queremos, y este es el bastón de dulce. Next, we're going to start cutting out our shape with a box cutter, so please be careful. Después vamos a cortar nuestra forma. Por favor, tengan cuidado. Now that we've cut our first candy cane out, we are going to put it on the other side of our cardboard and trace that out and cut that piece. Ya que tenemos el primer bastón, vamos a ponerlo en el cartón, delinearlo y cortar esa pieza. And I start drawing out the stripes that I want on my candy canes. I grabbed some of the paint that I have around the house, shake up the paint, and I start painting. Aquí empecé a delinear las secciones del bastón y como ya tenía pintura blanca y roja, solo le vamos a menear un poco y empezar a pintar. Next up are the leaves. Again, the same thing. I just drew out a shape that I liked for the leaves, cut it out, and then started painting. Lo que sigue son las hojas. Hice el mismo proceso de dibujar la forma que quise y lo corté y después empezamos a pintar. To paint the leaves, I just used some green paint, and to that same green paint I put a little bit of black to make the lines on the inside. Para pintar las hojas usé pintura verde y con el mismo color verde puse un poco de color negro para hacer las líneas adentro de la hoja. Next, we're going to start arranging our piece. In the video, I'm showing that I used a glue gun, and that did not work at all. It came completely undone, so I had to use E600 glue to make sure that it all stayed, and I used weights on top of it. Lo siguiente será organizar la pieza como queremos. En el video les enseño que usé pegamento de pistola, pero no funcionó para nada. Lo que usé era pegamento E600 y eso sí pudo mantener todo en su lugar. Okay, so that's what it's looking like right now. And the model in the picture has red shoes. And I've had these shoes since high school. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint these red. You see, they're peeling. They are so old. So I don't feel too bad painting these red up here. And maybe I'll paint them red here too. We'll see. But that's what it's looking like. En la pintura yo he visto que la modelo trae zapatitos rojos, pero como yo no tenía zapatos iguales a esos, decidí agarrar los zapatos negros que tenía y pintar las puntas rojas, ya que estos zapatos son viejos y ya se estaban cayendo. And here is the final piece. I pasted it all together and it looks really great. I think it looks exactly like the painting. I fixed up my hair and did my makeup very similar to the model in Ali Von Rose's painting. And if you are interested in looking at the recreated image, please make sure you follow me on Instagram, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Y este es el último producto. Yo creo que parece mucho como la imagen de Ali Von Rose Art y ven que me hice el pelo y me pinté muy similar a la modelo. Y si gustan ver la imagen completa, por favor síguenme en Instagram. Recuerden suscribir y hacer que les gusta. Gracias por ver el video y los veré en la próxima.